Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to format your USB drive using command prompt. As you can see, there are multiple partitions in my C drive, in my USB drive. No, it's not a C drive, but it is my USB drive and it is still not showing up here. That could be lead if you have made the Chrome OS or Linux bootable pen drive, and that could lead this issue. So how we can fix this in this video I'm going to show you. Simply open your command prompt and right click on here and open the disk management. And now here we go. First command is disk part, then type a list space disk. Now choose the disk which is your USB. This is my USB. I need to type for SEL cell. Cell means select disk 1. Now it is selected. Now just press here clean. Disk part is clean successfully, and when you reopen it, it is now formatted. So you can simply right click on this, click on new volume, next, 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 and just game is send disk. This is my USB. Next, finish. And now it is completely done. So this is how guys, I hope this video is really helpful for you, and you can, it's still showing up the, let's click on OK, and now it is accessible now. So this is how you can make and clean your USB on Windows 11 using command prompt. So thanks for watching.